Aloha! Welcome to the No'eau Soft Skills Shorts, a workshop series that highlights soft skills and how to practice them. This episode is about friendliness. What is friendliness? Demonstrating friendliness is a valuable interpersonal skill that can create an impression of approachability and warmth towards others. Actions such as your body language, tone of voice, and the way you treat other people influences how you are perceived. This is especially important for new jobs and first encounters. Friendliness involves being kind, attentive, and respectful to people without asking for anything in return. And it shows that you can make people feel noticed, cared for, and listened to, whether that be a friend, customer, or coworker. How can you develop or practice friendliness? Number 1, smile and be attentive. A happy face shows that you are ready and willing to listen. Use active listening skills such as nods and eye contact to listen to whoever is speaking. Number 2, be mindful of your tone and body language. Non-verbal cues play a significant role in how your communication is perceived. Keep your gestures loose and open, and your tone light and happy. Avoid sarcasm because it may be perceived as rude or uncaring. It is important to be humble and professional in any conversation. Number 3, initiate conversation. Sometimes people are shy and may be nervous to chat, so take the initiative by showing interest in speaking with someone. Start with a simple greeting and try to find some common ground to start the conversation. For example, if you are meeting a coworker for the first time, ask them some questions about themselves or the workplace you share. It could be the start of a lifelong friendship. Additionally, do not keep pushing to talk if they are uninterested. Just try initiating once or twice, and if they do not return, it's best just to leave them alone. Number 4, be patient and mindful. You will come to meet people that do not reciprocate your kindness. How they react is not a reflection of you. In these situations, do not retaliate. If you are emotionally compromised, it is best to say nothing rather than say something regretful in the heat of anger or frustration. Next, we have a scenario demonstrating how you can practice friendliness.
So first you'd want to draw, okay, hold on. This is not working really well. I'm gonna go grab the vibe board real quick and then set it up so that we can have it on screen rather. I'll be back in a few minutes.
Hey, I'm Noah. Man, chemistry is really confusing, yeah?
Hi.
I just thought Chem 161 prepared me for this, but man, these problems are so hard, like, shoot. I'm glad to see that someone else is in these study sessions. Makes it better to know that I'm not the only one that's struggling in this class.
Yeah, I totally blanked out after the hour mark. I thought the first week would be dedicated to a slight review and adjustment period, but we just hit the road running.
Yeah, I totally feel you on that one. Hey, since we're both here, maybe we want to exchange numbers so we can like text each other about problems that we're stuck on?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I got the vibe board. All I need to do is plug it in and turn it on and get it connected.
Thank you for watching. If you are completing this as part of the Soft Skills Certificate or want to test your knowledge, please complete the quiz on our website. All sources used for research are cited in the description below. You can check out another video here or contact us in these ways if you have any questions. Aloha!